Hi guys, my name is Christine and I'm part of the admissions team here at American English College. Today's video is going to be about how to apply for an F1 international student visa to come study in Los Angeles. The first thing you're going to need to do is to find a language school with the ability to issue a Form I-20, like us. What is a Form I-20? A Form I-20 is a government-issued document that every international student applicant will need to apply for an F1 visa. That's why it's so important to do research on the type of school you want to go to before applying. The next thing you'll need to do is to gain acceptance into that school. At American English College, all you'll need to do are 3 simple things. 1. Complete an online application. 2. Submit a few required documents. And 3. Submit your online application fee. It's really that easy. Now let's walk through it together. On our website, you'll find our application button at the top right corner. Here it'll ask you for some personal information, your ideal program, and tentative start date. Keep in mind you'll need to enter the United States by the start date time, so we recommend at least 1.5 to 2 months from your application date. As for your documents, you can easily attach them on your application form. However, if you don't have them at this time, no worries. Just email us after when you do have them. Your required documents, you'll need to prepare a couple of things. First, a copy of your passport with at least 6 months to the expiration date. 2, a recent transcript or diploma. For example, this could be your high school or college degree, whichever is most recent. And please make sure that this is also translated in English for the U.S. Embassy officer. 3, you'll need to provide a bank statement with at least 18,000 USD. If you don't have a bank statement under your name, you can always use a parent or spouse bank statement as long as you also provide a document showing your relationship to them, such as a birth certificate or marriage certificate, or even a household registrar. A common question we get is, what if we don't have 18,000 USD? That's totally fine, as long as you can show a bank statement showing at least 6,000. What we would need to do is shorten your duration to match the amount of money you have. If you have any questions when filling out your application, you can either comment below in this video or just simply email us. Now, we're ready for the next step. You'll need to submit your AEC application fee. Keep in mind, every international student has to complete a fee called SEVIS I-901. This is required for all international applicants. This fee needs to be completed before your U.S. Embassy interview. Lastly, we charge a one-time DHL fee in order to send your admissions package to your home country. Your admissions package will arrive to you within 3 to 5 business days. Now, you have your acceptance package and you're ready to make your U.S. Embassy appointment. To do so, you'll need to fill out something called a DS-160, or also known as non-immigrant visa application. Don't worry, we're going to link everything down below in the description box for you so you can easily access the online application. Don't forget, you'll need to bring the entire admissions package as well as any other supplemental items to your U.S. Embassy interview. This could be your bank statement, your transcripts or diploma, or any other documents showing ties back to your home country. So, some common questions that you might be asked during your U.S. Embassy appointment are, why do you want to learn English and why in the United States? What is your study plan? Do you want to go to the U.S. and possibly go home, or do you want to go to another country? Another good one is, how did you choose the school that you applied to? Did you research it on your own and found that this was the right school for you? I think the U.S. Embassy officer really wants to get to know you and ensure that you truly are an international student with the intention of studying in the U.S. If you need housing or airport pickup assistance, please contact your student advisor who will be able to arrange this for you prior to your arrival. Congratulations on your visa approval. We can't wait to meet you in Los Angeles. Now that you're here, make sure you visit the school within the first week of your arrival. That way we can register you for your classes, have you take a placement test to figure out your level, and get you all situated with registering your I-20. Unlike other schools, we don't require tuition payment until you've received your visa approval. Doesn't that make sense? Now there you go. You successfully applied and received your visa approval. But now let's recap. 1. You have to apply to an accredited school and have gained acceptance into that school. 2. You've received your admissions package and it's now ready to apply for your U.S. Embassy interview. And 3. You've received your visa approval and is now ready to book any student services like housing or airport pickup. We've linked everything in the description box below. Thank you so much for letting us be a part of your educational journey. If you need anything else, please feel free to email us, ask us questions. We are so excited to help you. Till next time, bye-bye.